Yeah, I've just had a call that some of the beehives have blown over, probably from last Friday's winds. I think it's just a stack of empty boxes. I hope so anyway. So I'm just off to have a look. So I'm at Oakwell Hall. It's nice and sunny but very cold. Let's have a look what's happened. Oh, seen a rabbit. Oh, I can see the big stack of empty boxes. If you can see them from here, blowing over. Right, so there's no bees flying today. Yeah, luckily all these are empty, just fallen over. Well, one I've had tipped over, this one here, but luckily they're all in there doing okay. You know, probably a bit shook up, they're all fine. Put them back, getting a bit annoyed with me.